Cuban drama. Recently, YuSheng Toys, a toy company more than a decade old, made a legal statement saying that You had breached the contract by claiming Sheng to be their spokesperson. This was brought up on their Facebook page and made public to everyone. To my surprise, the current world record is said to have an active contract with YuSheng, which includes number 1, You Sheng to be their spokesman, and the agreement between the world record holder and YuSheng Toy Company is still valid. Not sure if You is aware of this agreement. You has then hired You Sheng to be their spokesman and create products in collaboration with him. As a result, YuSheng sent a stern warning to You and You Sheng to stop any spokesman activity and delete any previous advertisement, which if You failed to follow the instruction, it could possibly result in YuSheng suing both YuSheng and You.
See you in court.
The agreement is also uploaded to show what was the agreement that was signed by Du under YuSheng in Mandarin. As far as I know, I've never seen YuSheng as the spokesman of YuSheng. And about a few days later, YuSheng came out to the public and uploaded this piece of letter on his Facebook page. He clearly mentioned that he was negligent and assumed that the contract between him and YuSheng has expired in October, when in reality, it has to expire in December 2022. Which shows that YuSheng had clearly messed up and created intensity between these mega cute companies. He apologized to both the company and said that this is a valuable lesson that he had learned. However, I hope both parties will come down to an agreement without causing further damage and problem. So let's wait and see what's You's response to this issue.